Kansas City, Missouri. It's a Midwestern town. People here are very genuine. They will always help you with anything you need. We have a very vibrant music scene here in Kansas City. You definitely come to Ship to Party. If you go down the alley, ask one of the locals, then you'll run right into the Ship. Got a very, very kind of funky atmosphere. It's just a great place to meet the locals. The Green Lady Lounge, one of the top jazz clubs in Kansas City. The look of that place is more of a very clean style, antique kind of chandeliers, red walls, and nice looking place for cocktails, and the men wear suit and ties. And here at the Ship, it's very different. We wear whatever we want to wear. We also play as loud or as soft as we want. Right down the street from Majestic is the Phoenix at 8th and Central, Repeal 18th in North Kansas City. We have Plaza 3, Jack's Fish House, Eddie B's. If you ask about barbecue, you're gonna get a different opinion from probably about each person in Kansas City. One of the things about Kansas City barbecue is we take it very seriously. Arthur Bryant's Q39 Gates Barbecue, which I highly recommend. It's a lot more energy here in Kansas City because our downtown has developed so much more. Our crossroads is most important here downtown. Great music venues, tons of wonderful restaurants, tons of art galleries, boutique shops. YJ Snack Bar is a very unique place run by a local artist, a very big supporter of musicians.
Columbia is a college town. The energy here is out of this world. It's vibrant. You have children, parents, grandparents, everybody's out trying to have a good time. It's a very creative space. So if we were in downtown Columbia trying to have a good time, there's an endless amount of possibilities. Like this place, the Broadway Diner, that's just my favorite. But there's also coffee shops, bookstores, Booch's Billiards, and if you're with me, I'm taking you to open mic night because slam poetry has always been my thing. So when you're in town, it's automatic that I'm gonna take you to Shakespeare's Pizza. Personally, I get the masterpiece. Over a pound of meat, half a pound of cheese. You know what, I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. If you're into music, especially vinyl, I would recommend Hit Records. They have a huge selection. You can find just about everything. And when you do come to Columbia, it's always great to travel outside, but I will warn you, it gets rural fast. There's acres upon acres of land, farms upon farms, and my favorite farm has packs of alpaca. Another great place to visit is a quaint little German town called Washington on the banks of the Missouri River. It has over 400 buildings on the state registry. It's also the home of the corncob pipe.
What I love to do in Missouri is come out and enjoy nature. The Merrimack area is really lovely. It's green and the hills just sort of roll gently along. You have to go to Merrimack Caverns. It's this beautiful network of caves, and they say it is where the outlaw Jesse James had his hideout. And I've heard that they've never found his treasure, so you never know. Maybe while you're in the caverns, you'll find Jesse James's treasure. Take a canoe or kayak on the Merrimack River. You want to start early in the morning, pull it down into the water and it goes splash. We'll go camping with a bunch of people. Everyone will be there with all the little kids running around, sit around the campfire and sing songs. When it starts getting dark, you'll hear all the bugs are singing their evening song. And look up, and there's just stars everywhere, just like a billion stars.